Hello students, welcome to your class. This is your moral science class. Today we will learn the exercises. Today we will do the exercises from our previous video that I have already uploaded, previous story, that is the tortoise and the geese. Who have not watched the video yet, they just go to YouTube and watch the video. You can get the link from Teno app. From your section you can get the link there. So let's start. First, option A is fill in the blanks. So first question is page number 8 from your moral science book. First question is 2 blank lived on the back of the pond. So the answer will be 2 geese lived on the back of the pond. Next, number 2 question, we can take you with us. That it will be a printing mistake, so it will be we cannot take you with us. We cannot take you with us, full stop. You have no blank. So the answer will be you have no wings. You have no wings. Number 3, the stick was about blank long. How much the stick was long? It was 4 feet long. The stick was 4 feet long. Now number 4, the people below saw this blank sight. It was a strange sight, right? So it will be strange sight. The people below saw the strange sight. Next, number B, write true or false. Write true or false. First question is the pond was filled up with rain. The pond was filled up with rain. No, it was not true. That was a summer season, so all the ponds and wells, everything was dried, right? So this will be false. Number 2, the geese wanted to live with tortoise in the dry pond. The geese wanted to live with the tortoise in the dry pond. They didn't wanted to live. They wanted to fly to another place where there is water. So it will also be false. Number 3, the stick was about 4 feet long. It's true, right? We just did that in fill in the blanks. So the stick was about 4 feet long. It is true. The tortoise said, you will eat ashes. You will eat ashes. This is true. The tortoise said this and opened his mouth and then fall and die. Right? So number 4 is true. So first 2 is false and second 2 is true. Next, number C, answer the following questions. So which creature lived in the pond? The answer will be the tortoise lived in the pond. The tortoise lived in the pond. The answer will be the tortoise lived in the pond. You can see the answer here. Number 2, why did the pond become dry? Why did the pond become dry? So the answer you can see here. The pond became dry due to the summer season, due to the scorching heat of summer. So you can write, because the sun was very hot, the pond dry. You will write, you can see the answer here. Why did the pond become dry? The sun was in the summer season, the sun was very hot and the pond became dry. So you will write the answer, in the summer season the sun was very hot, that's why the pond became dry. Okay, number 3, what plan came in the tortoise's mind to go with the geese? What plan came in the tortoise's mind to go with the geese? So you can see the answer here. The tortoise bought a stick and said to the geese that he will bite the middle of the stick and they can fly with him. They can fly to the place with him. Okay. So the plan was that. How did the tortoise die? The tortoise died because he opened his mouth and lost his grip on the stick, and then he fell on the ground and died. Okay. So the answer will be the tortoise lost his grip on the stick. He fell to the ground and died. Okay. So these 4 questions you will write in your copy. All these questions you will write in your moral science copy. Option number D, who said and to whom? So I want to go with you. The pond is dry. I can't live here anymore. So who said this and to whom? The tortoise said these lines to the geese. Next, please wait a bit. I have a good plan. Who said this and to whom? Same question. This is also the tortoise said and to the geese only. Number 3, That we can do, but if you open your mouth to speak, you will fall to the ground and die. Now, who said this and to whom? The geese said this to the tortoise. The geese said this to the tortoise. You will eat ashes. Who said this and to whom? The tortoise said this to the people. Okay? The tortoise said this to the people. Now you will arrange the jumble words and you will write the words in your copy here. Option number E. You will arrange the letters and you will make the word. Okay? Hope you understand what you have to do from this book, Moral Science. You will write all the answers in your Moral Science copy. Thank you for watching the video.